everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And today is only the short. It's early morning here in Las Vegas. I'm waiting for my bus. So, good morning, everyone, and thank you for your support to my YouTube channel. And I hope you have a nice day. God bless you all.